Tommy the cat loved to sneeze loudly. One sunny day, he challenged his friends to a sneezing contest. Benny the bunny twitched his nose and gave a tiny achoo. Polly the parrot squawked, "Achoo," so hard she flipped upside down. Lucy the lizard opened her mouth wide, but only squeaked. Next was Tommy's turn. He wanted the biggest sneeze ever. He sniffed a pepper flower and wiggled his whiskers. Aya, aya hawk. Tommy's nose tickled, and everyone held their breath. Achoo. Tommy sneezed so hard his hat flew off. His friends tumbled over giggling. Suddenly, Benny's little nose twitched again. This time, achoo startled a butterfly, making it loop-de-loop. Polly repeated, "Achoo, achoo, sneezy kitties and bunnies." Lucy tried again, and made a loud clap with her tail. Everyone laughed till their bellies hurt. The sneezing contest became a silly sneeze dance party. The friends promised to play again every sunny day. And every sneeze got funnier and funnier.